For these new machines, I installed the limit switch. There are 2 tabs, and so the home position one, this one is a better one, and this is a cheaper one. This for limit switch as well as home switch is unknown, and I installed them in 3 axis. And for this x-axis, I installed them here as well as here. I'm now checking its accuracy. Here the control panel were made, and this Linux CNC 2.7.14 version. I slowly drop it in negative direction. It leaves the home position, and I reverse the direction movement. It's a little bit off the 0 by something 0.005 millimeter. Let's check it if it is really. Reverse it direction. It's still above 0 point a little bit, so its accuracy is quite good. I think less than 0.05. So I think it's very good. Thank you for these platforms. I will use it for setting purposes. I have already aligned this chopper against, and I already set this block and this block in perpendicular direction with the movement of x-axis chopper at the lower position, and also I set this ray in perpendicular position by the triangle here, as well as this one. I now will check it, move this block upward, and I will check this extreme upward position as well as this both move upward, and check this if it is perpendicular to this x-axis travel direction. And this, the error will be the most at this position. It accumulates all the errors for this travel height length and also this direction. And stay tuned. If you like, please subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you.